Good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel, Cloud Soldier. My name is Cash, and in this exercise, we'll be doing a multi-stage build for our deployment of our container image, container app to our AKS cluster. So in our last exercise, we created an artifact, and we used that artifact in our release pipeline. So let's start. Hello, Omar. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Good. Okay. So what we'll do, we just quickly go and do some changes to our project. So this is our project, and this is our Docker file. So in this Docker file, we are just like completely pushing the whole app and just creating an image for our .NET project and con, con, containerizing that app into SQL app. So what we'll do, we change this now. So let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna replace the Docker file with this one, with the existing one. So if you go back again and paste, save it all, and do a push. So we can say enter message change Docker file to commit all and sync. So that should trigger the build pipeline.
Yep.
So if we go to our build pipeline and see build pipeline, we just need to cancel that at the moment because we need to change the build again. So where is the cancel? So if we click that and cancel,
Yep.
so just cancel, cancel yes, yeah, just cancel. Why is it canceling? Is it not canceling? Right. So as you know that Omar, that what we're doing, instead of using a YAML file in our earlier exercise to build and publish, so we are using a Docker file to do that.
hmm
So just let's edit that, and we can leave this as it is. As it is. What we don't need, we do not need a build and push this stage. So we delete this, and we do not need task and all of that. And we do not need a build context. Right, so we have got a generic build pipeline, so we don't need to have our .NET installation, which is deleted. So before we validate and run, just go and see that our code been pushed with the Docker file.
Yep.
Where's the pipeline? Sorry, repos. And if we go to Azure, Docker file, yes, you can see that it's been
Yep.
pushed here.
hmm
So let's go and save and run, validate and save. 1 second, what's the problem? The error we were getting before, we have the old the copied credential, which is not good. So we swap back again. So let's see where it is. See, yeah, that pipeline is valid now
Yep.
because we're using the copy and pasted from this one, which is not our container registry. So save, run, say. So it is running because you have reached a maximum. So yeah, that's running now. Let's come back when it's finished here.
All right.
So we just forgot to delete that apps. So there's no app here. We just deleted that into workloads. So there is no. So this is already terminating. If you just refresh it, it's gone now. And if you go back to our pipeline is running. So in this pipeline, you can see, Omar, that we're not installing .NET. So it is just building and pushing using Dockerfile.
Yeah.
So let's go and create the release now. So we don't have to change anything. Same. If you go to edit pipeline, so that's the one we're already using it. So if you just do create release, and same, we got two tasks in there, and create release. Let's, when this finish, we come back. So yes, so this is succeeded. So if you go to logs, go back, and to check again, refresh again. There we go. App service there, and my app should be there. Yep. So if you go to my service and just click that, wow, it's good working. Yeah. So we can see this SQL app with inserted tables in there. So in this exercise, what we have done, we have used multi-stage builds in using a Docker file.
Yeah.
So I hope this is informative to you, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.